Hi, this is Scogget. This is second part to my baked shrimp scampi linguine my way video. And I've got the shrimp ready, linguine's ready, and it's ready to be plated up. I'm going to show you how all this comes together. What I've got is I've got my shrimp over here, and I've got my linguine, which is cooked perfectly in my pasta boat. And I'm going to go ahead and take the linguine and just put it inside this dish, this bacon dish. Just like that. Now what I'm going to do is just stir it up so it all gets a good stir there with the butter, the shrimp, sauce, and all. I tell you what. Let me get me might need to put a glove on for this so I can hold this while I do it. I don't know if these are going to work. Probably not. So bring out some other artillery here, which I know will work. Just mix it all up, all the shrimp and everything, get it all mixed up together with the pasta. And I tell you, this smells great. This is really going to be good. I already know that. Just mix it up really good here. Okay, got my best china out. So what I'm going to do is going to go ahead and plate a little bit of it up here and see how it came out. If I can get it. It's really slick. But we'll get it plated up. There's a will, there's a way. Got these crawling out a little bit. Some more shrimp on it. Probably some more sauce. Let me, because the sauce is kind of lingering at the bottom there. Okay. There you have it. This way it come out. Still trying to get out of my plate there, but this way it come out, and as you can see, everything is perfect. It's steaming hot. I'm going to give it a shot. Got some of that good old cheap oak leaf Chardonnay in my Chardonnay glass, white wine. It's $2.96, I believe, a bottle. Man, I'll tell you what, That's scraping it right there with the MD 2020. But anyway, going to go ahead and tell you how it come out. I'm going to go ahead and take a taste of it. Let you know. Still ain't got it right. Oh, that's a little bit, yeah, that'll work. Let you know how it come out. I already know how it come out. It come out delicious. I gotta get some more. That is really good. I can taste the garlic. I can taste the butter, and going with the pasta. Oh, it all comes together, my friends. This is fantastic, and the shrimp is cooked perfect. Like I say, I like to use bigger shrimp, like, you know, the large ones. I didn't have that in my freezer, so I didn't feel like going down and buying any today. So I may do with what I have, and may do with what I had. Come out with a great dinner here. Mrs. Scoggett says, "Man, that smells so good. That just the garlic and the butter and stuff. She was going crazy over here, and she's fixing to come in, and I'm going to plate her some up, and go and wash it down with this cheap Chardonnay. Blasted yet absurd, but it's not bad. This is Scoggett. I hope you give it a try. It's really simple to do, not hard at all, and I tell you, it is good. Got my seal of approval there. This is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers. I'm going to get to eat my dinner, and catch you later, and y'all take care.